In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a dashboard in Zoho CRM. Dashboards are powerful tools in Zoho CRM that provide a visual overview of your data, helping you and your team make informed decisions quickly. Knowing how to edit them can significantly enhance your ability to tailor the dashboard to your specific business needs and preferences. To get started, you'll want to open the Zoho CRM interface and navigate to the Dashboards or Analytics tab. This is the hub where all your dashboard views reside. From here, select the specific dashboard you wish to edit. This is where you'll begin to personalize and fine-tune the data presentation to suit your objectives better. Once you're on the selected dashboard, focus on the component you want to update or modify. You may notice a variety of charts, graphs, tables, or widgets depending on your setup. Hover over the specific component and you'll see the More icon represented by 3 dots. Click on this icon to access the editing options. The Edit option is your gateway to making alterations to the dashboard component. Now that you're in the editing mode, you'll see several settings that you can adjust. These can include changing the data source if you need the component to pull different or updated data sets. You also have the option to adjust the grouping of your data, allowing you to view the information from different perspectives, which can be incredibly insightful. Additionally, consider tweaking the filters to refine the data, ensuring that you're only looking at what's relevant to your current analysis or report needs. Don't forget about the display type. Whether you prefer a bar graph over a pie chart or a line chart to a table, the display type can make a significant difference in how you interpret the data. After making these adjustments, it's crucial to save your changes to ensure they're applied to the dashboard. Look for the Save button, typically located towards the bottom or top of the editing window, and click it to apply all the modifications you've made. Remember, you also have the option to clone or restore previous versions of this component. This feature is particularly handy if you need to experiment with different settings or revert to a version that worked best for your analysis needs. Adjusting your dashboard components is a potent way to keep your business analytics agile and responsive. By following these steps, you're equipping yourself with the flexibility to scrutinize the most relevant metrics in a manner that directly aligns with your business goals. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your Zoho CRM dashboards with increased efficiency and confidence.